Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a dragon skull. It's going to be pretty quick. It's going to be for beginners. I'm going to talk you all the way through it. Guys. So this might be a little bit long, but if you do want to learn this, stay with me, pay attention, and let's go. Alright, like I said, for beginners. I'm going to be using two things. Faber-Castell PITT Artist Pen. It's a thin kind of version of one I usually use for caricatures. Really thin. And I'm going to be using this regular, everyday color pencil. Wow. Mechanical pencil. So, I'm going to use a mechanical pencil first. Draw very lightly, and I'm going to start with a triangular shape for the dragon skull. Triangular shape. Let me think of it like a block of Swiss cheese, really. Block of cheese. Gotta think of that 3D cheese. I love that cheese. And I'm gonna draw kind of the flared out, kind of, I don't know what you call it, like the zygomatic arch flares out into this like ear shape. I'm just gonna pull that up. I'm not thinking too hard about it. I'm just thinking of like a flap off the side of his head. And then some horn, a horn over here. And a horn over here. Two horns. And right now I'm just kind of more or less sketching around. Eye socket, I want that eye socket, and I want a far side, kind of a ridge of the eye socket on the other side. Snout. Lower jaw here. I'm gonna try to just kind of make a scribbly lower jaw. Hopefully you can kind of see this. I know that it's harder to see this because I'm using this pencil, but this level of it is very quick. I'm just getting general broad proportions down on paper, and I'm gonna go into it right now with this. And I always start at the eye. I'm gonna pull in, so now you're really gonna see. Pull in. It's gonna have kind of an angry eye socket, which is hilarious. Angry eye socket, oh man. It's gonna have that triangular shape as well. The eye socket will have a motion even though it shouldn't, but I just kind of want to do that for design sense. I'm gonna pull small lines kind of where the bags of the eyes would be. Pulling up over here at the furrowing eye socket, furrowing brow. Nasal cavity, just kind of like a triangle. Pulling up from the nasal cavity. I'm gonna have like some pointing out there, like some off the nose, like the top of the nostril. Pull down. Top portion of the kind of mouth there. And I'm going to put some ridges and carry that over into the zygomatic arch. And that arch is probably going to carry it through into this flap on the side of the head. top of the head as well. Spiky, kind of spiky top of the head. It's kind of has ridges. Hold down. And then the top of the snout here. Bottom of the jaw, and I'm going to find the teeth here from the upper jaw. Vary the sizes of the teeth because that gets kind of weird. And now I'm going to draw the horns, and they're going to be like kind of banana shaped. And then the ridge shape coming away from here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to wait a second here, and then I'm going to erase the pencil lines. I don't know if you can see them, but I can see them very clearly. So I'm going to erase these pencil lines so that I can kind of get some clarity on what I'm doing. If you love fantasy art, I'm a fantasy artist per se. I'm an illustrator. Do all kinds of stuff. Hit up my Patreon. I give $2 shout outs on there. I also give a lot of benefit for anyone that goes there and supports me. I really believe in like giving a lot of value to whoever hits me up. But yeah, check that out. It's fun. There's a lot of things going on there. Even the highest level, I will literally train you. I will literally kind of go over what you're doing, and I'll give feedback. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I would appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and we can talk in the comments below. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it fully. I'll see you soon.